Welcome to online class. This is a statistics class. In the last class we have studied CPI, Consumer Price Index Number. In that we have studied two formulas. One is aggregative expenditure method, another one family budget method. So aggregative expenditure method, that we are giving weightage for which one? Quantities, that is base year quantities, which is the same as Lasperi's price index number. Quantities, base year quantities for items that is consumed by a particular class of a people, which taken as a weightage, that problem, that is aggregative expenditure method. Formula is P1 Q0 and another one P0 and P0. Like that way we are used for the calculation. Say we will do one of the problem. Here calculate consumer price index number or cost of living index number by aggregative expenditure method. Here commodity is given, I am written as A, B, C, D, E, F. Number of unit is given, here not mentioned anything. Number of units means we have to consider this is the quantity. Number of units in the 2000, that is the quantities. We have to take this one as a quantities. Next, price is given in 2000 and 2005. Here 2000, that is the base price, this is P0, I will take as a P0, and 2005 is the current year, this one is P1, I will take as a P0 and P1, I will write this one like this way, this is P0 and this one as a P1, okay, and this is the quantity is 2000, here also I am written 2000, that is the base year, therefore this one is the Q0 is the base. Now here Q0 is given, P0 and P1 same as Lasperi, therefore that is same as aggregative. Which one you have to find out? That is P1 Q0, another one P0 Q0. P1 Q0, P0 Q0. These two column we have to find out. Here P1 Q0 is this one, P1 is this one, multiply these two. Our answer $175, that is 7 into 25, 5 into 10, like that way. Go on, multiply like that way only. We will get answer this one. And find the total of P1 Q0, that is 3675. This is the total value. Next P0 Q0, multiply these two like this way and write down the answer there. Total answer. This is our total answer. We got answer like this way. Now we have to calculate aggregative expenditure method. No space. I will rub this one. We need these two values. Here aggregative expenditure method. Aggregative expenditure method is, that is CPI, Consumer Price Index Number, that equal to P1 Q0 summation P0 Q0 into 100. Here 3675 divided by 5 into 100. Our answer is 141.5 141.08. So this is our answer, 141.08. Here we have completed. Here they are only asked which one you have to find it. Aggregative expenditure method. If they are not asked also, their quantity is given and price of base year and current year is given. You should see that quantities of 2000, that means base, and price of 2000 and 2005. This is base and this is the current year. Therefore, we should only by writing this one, that is the aggregative expenditure method. We should think like that way. That is the aggregative expenditure method. We have to take like that way. If they are given means no problem. You have to use that formula only. Next, another problem, that is compute CPI by aggregative method. Here also they are given directly. Which method? That is in the CPI first method, that is the aggregative expenditure method. Here also commodity is given, base, that is price and expenditure is given, another one current year is given. Here expenditure we can take as a W also, but here given in the question, that is the aggregative expenditure method. Here base year price, base year, expenditure also base year, therefore base year price P0, base year price is P0, base year expenditure means E naught, expenditure, that is a multiplication of price into quantity, both also 0 0, like this way. Base year expenditure E0 equal to P0 Q0. Here current year price, we are not written, current year price is given in question, okay. Current year price is given, that is P1 is given, like this way. P1 is given. Here expenditure method, for the aggregative expenditure method, P naught, Q naught, another one, P1, Q naught. Here which one you have to find out? They are not given. Which one? Q naught. Q naught is given. You should find out Q naught. How to find out Q naught? Q naught equal to E naught divided by P naught, like that way. E naught divided by P naught. Here Q naught, that equal to E naught divided by P naught. Okay. Afterwards P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught. We should find out these two. Q naught how much? 240 divided by 12. 240 divided by 12. That is 20. 70 divided by 14. Answer is 5. Like this way only. You have to divide it. We get answered this one. Next, P1 into Q naught. Q naught we got to multiply with the P1. P1 into Q naught. 17 into 20. That is 340, 80, 54, 100, 180, 225. Our total answer is 979 and another one. 979 here. Total answer 527. 527. We got to also on answer. Next, aggregative expenditure method. Write down formula. Aggregative expenditure method. CPI, that equal to P1 Q naught, P naught Q naught into 100. 979 divided by 527. We got answer 185.77, like this. 185.77. This is the aggregative expenditure method. Another formula. Which one is another one? That is the family budget method. In the family budget method, which one is a normal period expenditure? Here weightage is taken as that is the normal period, the expenditure of the normal period. We will do next by taking weights that is given directly. If the here third one. See, in this problem, weight is given, not given the which method you have to use. Which method you have to use? Here weights is given, weight, price, base year, current year, next weight. Weight is given means that is the W. W is given means that is the family budget method. If they are given aggregative means then weight is taken as that is base year, P naught into Q naught as a previous problem. But here not given anything. Family budget method or aggregative. If they are given aggregative means you have to do aggregative method, but here not given anything, but weight is given. Weight is given means you have to take a W only. W, and your price is base year and price which is given in the current year. This is P naught base year. This is P1 that is the current year. Price with the P naught and price with the current year. This is W. Weightage is given as W. Which one you have to find out? That is price relative. P equal to P1 by P naught into 100. This is the price relative. Then multiply that price relative with the W weights. If you find out this one means then for the formula of a family budget method, we have to take the total of P into W. This is the price relative. Price relative. P1 divided by P naught into 100. That answer 130.77, 120, next 122.22, 166.67, next 175, 180. We got like this way. Next P into W. This is the price relative, multiply with the W. 130.77 into 65, that answer. 120 into 20, that answer. Find the total of P into W, that is 20,294.5. This much answer. 20,294.5. We need the total of weight also, that is a summation W, that answer 145. 145. Now we have to use the family budget method formula. Here given weights and price of base year and current year. Price of base year and current year. So we use a family budget method. So we use family budget method, that CPI that equal to summation W into P P divided by summation W. 20,294.5 divided by 145. That answer 139.96. See, this is our answer, 139.96. This is a method by using family budget method. By using that formula we have calculated, that is 139.96. Next, fourth problem. So in the fourth problem they are given that an enquiry into budget of the middle class families in certain city in India gave the following information. That information are this one: item, percentage expenditure is given, and price is given of 1995 and 1996. These are the values are given. Next, after this table they are given that this question we have to find out which one, cost of living index number by taking a family budget method. So in the 1996, that is compared with 1995. So this is the base and that one is the current year. This is the current year. Current year means P1. This is the P1 and this is the P0. Expenditure, percentage expenditure is given and also family budget method is given. Therefore this one you have to consider as W. Expenditure is considered as a W. Percentage expenditure means your total is 100. Add these values, you are getting answer 100. Same as the previous problem, you have to find out which one, price relative, P1 by P0 into 100. Divide this one into 100, you will get answer. Next, that answer is 792, 86.67, 100, 112.5. See, these are the answers. Next, again multiply that P into W like that way. After multiplying, we get answer 83.45. Here 920. 92 into 10 like this way, 86.67 into 20.4. Here 1500, 2250, 112.5 into 20. Add all these values, you will get answer 9786.85. 9786.85. Now use the family budget method, that formula, family budget method. Family budget method is CPI, that equal to W into P divided by W. Our total value 9786.85 divided by 100. Percentage expenditure is given, therefore total is 100. So after dividing by 100, you will get answer 97.87. So this is the answer, 97.87. Next, fifth problem. Next, construct consumer price index number by family budget method is given. See, if they are not given family budget method means by seeing this one only we should understand that this is the family budget method. See, here expenses is given, price is given in 2003, same as previous problem 2003, and here 2005. This is the base, this is weight, base. Expenditure in the normal period which is taken in the family budget method. Therefore expenses in the base, that is W, price which is in 2003, that is P naught, that is P naught, P naught, and here 2005, that is P1, like this way. Now we got this one, price in the base year and price in the current year, and expenses they are asked a family budget method, therefore I have chosen here W. If they asked aggregate expenditure means you have to take E naught, like that way. Second problem, like a second problem. Now they are given family budget method, therefore this is W, 2003 as a W weights, W, P naught and P1 given, same method. Here P equal to, that is P1 by P naught into 100 and W into P. You have to calculate like this way, W into P. Calculate this one, P1 by P naught into 100, our answer, that is 120, 125 divided by 10 divided by 8 into 100, 125. Then here 120, here divide this one into 100, we got this answer. Here 150, P into W, here W and price relative, multiply these two. Find the total of P into W, and another one weight, total weight. Here this one is 22900, 22900, and here total of this one 184. Calculate this one like that way only, that is CPI equal to summation W into P divided by summation W. Find out this one, that is 22900 divided by 184. Find out the answer yourself. We'll go for next problem, that is calculate cost of living index number. This one, cost of living index number. Item is given, group index is given, and weight is given. Here see group index. See, in the last class I am given that note. In the note, instead of summation WP here, instead of P we can take as I also, that is the group index. What is this I? I is the group index. I is the group index. Here see, group index means I will take this one as I and that one as weights. This is the I and this one as a weight, I into W. Here W into I, directly multiply these two, 110 into 3, that answer 330. Multiply these two, here see, this is the total answer of W into I, and we need which one? Total of weights, that is W. Here we got 30 answer. Then CPI, here you should write here group index, or yes, group index is given, index is given, and weights, that is W is given. Therefore we use which one? We use a family budget method. Family budget method, like this way, family budget method. What is the formula here? Again that one only, summation CPI equal to summation W into I. Now instead of P you have to write I because group index is given. Summation W, here W into I, got answer here 111.03. So this is our answer. Here we have completed this one. Next, see here. So I will do the aggregative expenditure method, that formula. See, they are given. They are given that summation P1 Q0. See, this is given that 350 and summation P0 Q0, that is given as 325. Construct a suitable consumer price index number, like this way. Here P1 Q0 is given, P0 Q0 is given. So actually, if you are thinking the another way, means this is the Laspeyres price index number also. But what is given here? Construct a suitable consumer price index number. Consumer price index number is given. Therefore, we have to take a aggregative expenditure method. That formula you have to use. Here P1 Q0 and P0 Q0 is given. Therefore, you have to take a aggregative expenditure method. Aggregative expenditure method. Why? Because of P1 Q0 and P0 Q. Here aggregative expenditure method is used because P1 Q0 and P0 Q0 is given. These are given, okay, are given. These are the two values are given. Therefore, we are using aggregative expenditure method, that CPI. Summation P1 P0 Q0 divide by, like this way, P0 Q0 into 100. Here 350 divided by 325 into 100. Our answer. Here our answer is 107.69. This is the aggregative expenditure method. This will come for 2 marks, like that way only. Next problem. Here group indices. Next one. See, given that group indices, corresponding weight also given, working class in an industrial city for the year 2005 and 2010. The 2 year is given, 2005 and 2010, with the base is 2000. Here see, base is 2000. Base is the 2000. For the base 2000, here 2005 and 2010 is taken. Here 2 years values are given. Therefore, group index, I will take this one as I1, first one, and this one I will take as I2. Now 2 values are given for a base. Group in weight is, that is W only. Now multiply this. We have to find out 2 values, I1 and I2. So this one is I1 and this one will take as I2. Now group index, W into I1, W into I2. Multiply these two. Here W into I1 and W into I2, like this way we get answer. Here total value, add all the values, we get a total answer 35330. Next here W into I2, W into I2, multiply this one. all these values, our answer, see, like this way we get like this way answer. Next, continue of that one by using formulas. Here, let I1 and I2 are denoted as a group index for the year 2005 and 2010 with respect to base. For 2000 and W is taken as weights, like this. Therefore, which one we have to use? We have to write family budget method. Family budget method is used. Family budget method is used. Here, consumer price index number. Consumer price index number for 2005. For 2005 with the base 2000. With the 2000 base, that is summation W into I1. You have to write I1, summation W, I1 value 35330. Here, total of group weight. See, that answer is 100, our group weight. Here, 100. Total value is 100. Here, answer of this one 353.0. Now we have completed of calculation of 2005. Next one, CPI or consumer price index number for 2010. This is another year 2010 with base 2000. That is with base 2000 is summation W into I2. I am taken as your I2. Summation W, that value 35200 divided by 100. That answer 352. That answer is 352. Here we have completed by taking 2 years. One is taken as I1, another one is taken as I2, and we have to write separately consumer index number for 2005 with base 2000 and another one here for 2010 with base 2000, and the answer is this one. These are the answer. Next one, next problem. Next, a family budget inquiry revealed that the average expenditure on various items are 35%, 10%, 15%, 10% and 30%. See, these are the average expenditure which are given in the percentage. Therefore, there should be 100. Summation of W, that should be 100. On which one? Food, cloth, house rent, fuel and miscellaneous, on these respectively. If the respective group indices, again here group indices is given, therefore we have to use which one? Family budget method. For 2010 with base 2005 are C values are given 150, 130, 190, 200, 160. These are. Find CPI for 2010 with base 2005. Therefore, solution here. Here which one given? Here given that average expenditure, that is W, average expenditure, that is W, and group index group, various group indices is given, that one we will take as I. Therefore, so we apply family budget method. Family budget method. Items W I and W into I, food, cloth, house rent, fuel, next miscellaneous. Like this way you have to write in the column wise. W is given, that is 35, 10, 15, 10 and 30, like this way. And I also given in that question 150, 130, 190, 200 and 160, like this way. You have to multiply W into I. Total, these are the total here. So explain, percentage is given, therefore you should take 100 only. Now, so I am written already, that is the family budget method, therefore no need of writing again. Here CPI, that equal to summation W into I divided by summation W, that equal to, so answer 162. Here we got answer 162. So main thing is you have to understand in this problem, you have to identify whether it was aggregative or which one, family budget method, if they are not given. If they are given means it is very easy for the calculation. Another one, you should note that whether it was a CPI or a general index number. Another one you should note like that way. Otherwise these are the very simple and it is very easy for the calculation. This one is very important. Which one? CPI. CPI is very important. Here we have completed our index number chapter.